Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you guys how the drilled exhaust sound compares to the undrilled one. Let's check it out. Okay, well, that wasn't like I expected. It just doesn't have that deep tone I was really looking for. That's why I decided I'm gonna have a full custom system made for it. More videos coming on that later. In the meanwhile, check out my other videos where I do some drive-bys and the walk around. And please let me know in the comments if you've done anything like that I did. Drilling the exhaust out, and how has that worked out for you? Please tell me all about it and I'll check them out, and then I'll see you in the next one.